Good day, everyone. Tim from Timber Visions here. So today I'm washing my deck because I need to do a reseal on this. I'm going to use Ready Seal. If you watched any of my videos in the past, or majority of my videos in the past, you know I really like Ready Seal for sealing up wood. There was another oil-based sealer that we used on this deck before. It was one of those where you couldn't overlap. What a pain in the butt. It was so hot that day, and yeah, miserable. Anyway, I'm getting off track here. So I'm going to be pressure washing the deck here. And I've owned these things for 2-3 years now, and I've never used it on the deck before. I've used it on the driveway. I've used a pressure washer to wash my siding off because, you know, you get that on the north side, you get that mold or mildew or whatever the heck that green stuff is. Anyway, I've used it a lot for that, you know, doing vehicles and all that stuff. But this universal scrubber, you know, it's got 2 spinners on the bottom, and it spins, and I'll demonstrate it here. It's pretty impressive. But anyway, so this is a Simpson. They're both Simpson. This 3200 psi on this pressure washer. It's got a Honda 190, GC 190. This thing starts really easy. It's a great little pressure washer. So anyway, enough blabbing. Let's show you how this thing works, and you're going to be impressed. You can kind of see where I've been on the other side, and that's impressive in itself. You can really see the line. But I'll try to stay out of your way as I'm doing this. It is gas powered, so you're going to hear some noise. But this puppy will pretty much take off the ground. I always hold the trigger when I start. That way it's cooling right away. It can't get right up next to things, but do a lot. You can cover a lot of ground really fast. Go a little slower when you get those lines. It's almost like vacuuming. So that's kind of a quick little demonstration. I'm going to get the pressure washer over on this side, get my grill moved around the corner, and then I'll just do a time lapse. You can watch me finish this out. So there we go. Deck's all washed off. Now all I have to do is switch tips to, a style that, like a 15 degree or whatever. And then just do like a quick rinse or whatever, quick rinse because it really scrubs it up, but it doesn't rinse it away really well. And I have to do the edges anyway, as you could see. So, like I said, both of these are Simpsons, and I do have it comes with a shorter wand, which would be good for washing cars or whatever. But they sell a longer wand too. So I'll put a link in the description for all of these products. I've been really happy with them. I don't know if you could get away with a little less pressure with one of these. I suppose you can get one that's properly sized. Oh, wow. A lot of grime coming off on my boots. Anyway, I think you can get one that's properly sized for the pressure that your pressure washer puts off if you already have one. You could probably get away with something with a little less pressure. I don't know. I know that I bought this one because it was kind of slotted together with this one. It's they're kind of go together pretty good. So anyway, so getting this all clean, give it a few days to dry, and then I can put on my ready seal. But that's going to do it for this one. Hope you learned something. I love this scrubber washer thing. It gets really close, nice, even. You don't get a lot of lines and stuff like you do with like a 0 tip or a 15 degree or a 10 degree. It's just a more even clean, and it gets it scrubbed off good. As you could tell in the video, it's scrubbing it all off. This looks like almost brand new wood now. So anyway, thanks for stopping in and watching this video. Until next time, be safe, brothers and sisters.